Cleaning your inner and outer energy to manifest. Hey, Scott Haug here, and this is a brand new series continuing from a 6-part series we've already posted on the channel here about mastering your money manifestations. The next 6 videos in this series, totaling 12 videos in total, if you watch them all in a sequence, one after another, you're going to have your money manifestation game soar through the roof. You're going to be able to bring in a lot more money manifestations, small chunks of money, 200 bucks, 3, 4, 700 bucks like that, even upwards to larger chunks like a lot of our members did by following this special event in the sequence of these 12 videos. Some of them were able to manifest upwards to $20,000 just within the 10-day time period that we actually did this special event. Exclusive to this channel only, you're about to have this unfolding manifestation series right in front of you. Let's start with cleaning your inner and outer energy. This is video 7 of 12. So after you're done watching this video, make sure you circle back to the other 6 videos in season 1, okay, as you go through that so that you can get the other 6 ideas and methods around manifesting and mastering your money manifestations. In this video, we're going to talk about inner and outer energy clearing. As you start to shift your energetic blueprint internally and externally in your environment, everything starts to begin to shift manifestation-wise using the law of attraction and the laws of the universe, bringing in better and better things into your life. It's all an energy game, including money. Money is an energy game, and the more you get that, the more you believe it, and the more you shift your energy around to money, the better and better things will get. Let's jump right into the video footage here in video 7 of 12 here, mastering your inner and outer energy to allow a lot more money manifestation into your life. Let's do it. Step number 3, or element number 3, is cleaning your inner and outer energy. And those of you that have been with me for some time now, a lot of you in the accelerator or one of my clients as well, has known this, that we talk about cleaning your energy field all the time. It is one of the easiest ways to have you earn more money and manifest more money. Let's go ahead and jump down here to the 5 key points, and I see all the number 9s coming through into the chat. That is awesome. Glad you are all resonating with everything. For the actual key points with the 5 key points here for element number 3, let's jump right into it. Again, take notes as you go through. Remember, these key notes are going to be your notes. So I'm not going to actually write down every key note. You just want to take what I'm saying out loud, form your key notes, look so that's something you can refer to and come back to. It's going to allow you to remember how we're doing this. Remember, money is an energy game. I'd write that right down for key point number 1 again. Money is an energy game. And our environment is energy. For key point number 1, our environment is energy. I want you to look around you right now. Are you in a room? Are you in your office? Are you in a car? Are you at work? Where are you right now? Look around. And I want you to really ask yourself, you don't have to tell anybody this. Am I organized, and is my environment energy clean? If you have stuff everywhere, if you have a ton of old stuff, you go through somebody's house and you're like, holy cow, there's just stuff everywhere. There's like old stuff from 50, 60 years ago, or even 15 years ago, and broken things over here, and there's a mess over here, right? Those kinds of things. Now, I'm sure that's not your house by any means or your home, right? But sometimes we have in our environment a really dirty energy. We have an energy that's stuck, that we don't have things organized in the way we want them. We don't have we open up our wallet, and our wallet's like this thick and has money all over the place and receipts from like 3 years ago in there, and like 18 gift cards that have $1 a piece on them, right? Those are what we call dirty energies. They're energies that block us. Because everything in your environment is also in your mind. Clean your environment, you clean your mind. Clean your mind, you clean your environment, vice versa. It's the great axiom called as above, so below, as below, so above. And I'll actually write that down for key point number 2. So you're going to want to write that one down here. It's a great axiom of life. As above, so below. As below, so above. Okay? Whatever's going on outside of you is going on within you. Whatever's going on within you is going on without and on the outside, right? Cleaning up your environment can be, again, the number one easiest way to attract and manifest better and easier money coming into your life. So for key point number 3, I want you to write down the various places that you might be able to clean the energy in your home, your workplace, and anything else like your vehicle and different things. So we're thinking outer environment here, okay? The idea here, again, is anything that you see around you, if it can be cleaned, it could be organized, stuff could be donated, thrown out, that kind of idea. We want to go ahead and write that on the list. And let's go ahead and write it down together, okay? So let's write down a couple of things in a couple of areas. Your home, all the different rooms. Your office, whether that's at a corporate atmosphere or a home-based office or anything like that. Your vehicles, okay? Your, say if you have an outdoor environment, or a yard, if you have a home or anything like that as well. Now, if you don't have a yard and an outdoor environment, then you scratch off the list, you don't write it down for you, right? Now, here's the big kicker that most people don't even think about. What about your electronic environment? What about your phone? What about your laptop? What about your email? And I'll put those into the key point number 3 as well here. What about those? Now, most people, they'll actually have like 300 apps on here and 300 notifications. Guess what's going on every time you get a notification? Every 5, 10 seconds, maybe every minute, your focus, your mental energy is being depleted. Notification, 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 notification. Guess what your mind is rattling at? Chaos. There's no way that we can possibly focus on a money-based consciousness if every 5, 10 seconds, every 2, 3, 4 minutes, our attention, know what attention is? Attention is thought energy. We're paying attention, we're paying thought energy to outside distractions. As that's a thing, as we have 3,000, 50,000 emails in the inbox, or your laptop is kind of all over the place in your workspace, right? As we have all these distractions, we're paying thought energy to things we don't even really care to pay thought energy to, right? I want you to change the game and I want you to think maybe differently. Attention. What is paying attention? It's paying thought energy. When you actually have that clear in your mind, you'll never again want to waste your attention because you're wasting your thought energy, okay? You're putting it away into something that doesn't need it. We're going to do an exercise here really soon. I just want you to pull this thing out for 1 second, this phone. Now, nearly everybody on the planet has one by now, okay? Some people don't. That's okay if you don't. But I want you to pull this out. If you don't, for some reason, have a phone, go ahead and open up a laptop. If you don't have that, just look around your home. That's okay as well. Or whatever device you're viewing this webinar on, because you're obviously viewing on a device. I don't think you're projecting it from your forehead or something, although maybe you're that advanced to do that. Okay, we're going to take out this phone, and I want you to look at your home screen. Now, I know the thinking right now is like, we're trying to manifest money. Who the heck cares what's on my home screen? Go along with me for a while. You're going to understand if you don't already. Open up your home screen. How many notifications, how many apps, and how many things are in front of your attention space right now? Go ahead and write down some of those into the chat box. Do you have social media, Instagram, how many followers you just got, Facebook, email, texts, calls? If you have games on your phone, somebody just gave you 100 gold pieces or whatever game you have on your phone, right? What does that look like for your Candy Crush or something? You just got, I don't even know how that works, but you got some sort of reward, whatever that reward is on that game, okay? What does this look like for you? Really answer it honestly. Throw it into the chat box because this is going to really blow some of you away. Okay, so go ahead and throw it into the chat box here. Rick, you actually mentioned no notifications right now. That's great.
Home screen has 15 apps by default. I bet you could change that though, Noi. Somehow you'll be able to. Notifications, email, text, shopping apps. Angel says 18 notifications. A lot of you already have changed the notifications, so you might have already been through my modules or whatever it is. Sue says 117 emails, 36 apps. Sherry says many. Okay. So a lot of you are already at a great stage now. Melissa says over 500 apps. That's a lot of apps. I don't know if I could actually even look at more than 20 of them. All right. This right here, again, is paying your thought energy towards something. The more you can clean this, the more you can delete things that you don't use, that really are not there, you're going to feel so clear. Now, a lot of you have done this exercise with me. You've done a 5-day challenge. You went through a module on where this is done. Even if you've done it, I literally do this at least once, twice a month. I re-clear everything so your energy field is clean and clear, okay? This is very important. Now, we're going to do one more thing before we go into our exercises here. The other thing is your internal environment.